So if you want to know how to change your WordPress website admin dashboard login URL, you can follow this easy and step-by-step guide to change your WordPress login URL or link. So as you can see, currently I'm on my WordPress website admin dashboard login page, and currently this is my login URL after the domain /wp-login.php. And now I'll show you how to easily change this login URL from wp-login.php to another one. To do that, first of all, you have to open your cPanel. Once you are in your cPanel, you have to open the file manager. Once you are in your file manager, go to public_html, and here you will find all of your installed WordPress files and folders. In this list, you have to search for this file wp-login.php. So now we have to rename this file, but before changing, you can back up this file. To do that, select this file and just click on download to backup. Now right click on this file and just click on rename, and this is my current WordPress admin login URL wp-login.php. And now all you have to need, give here a new name before php dot. So for example, I'm typing here test-login.php and then clicking on rename file. And now once the file successfully renamed, search the file again. Now select the file again and just right click on it and click on edit, and click on edit, and then you will directly jump into the file code editing page. Here press Ctrl F and search for, in this box you have to type the file previous name. So the file previous name was wp-login.php, and now you have to click on this plus icon and the replace box will open here. And now in this replace with box, you have to type this file current name. So this file current name is test-login.php, and then click on replace all, and this will replace all wp-login.php with test-login.php. Now just click on save changes, and once done, I'm going to my WordPress admin dashboard login page again and just reloading this page. And here you can see the page is successfully removed because of a change the page login link. Now to log into my WordPress admin dashboard, I have to write the new login URL. So after my WordPress website domain, I'm giving slash and typing test-login.php. So this is my new URL for login, and hitting enter. And then as you can see, I've successfully jumped into my admin dashboard login page. Now I can easily log into my WordPress admin dashboard using this new admin login URL. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.